Okay, I want to show you what we have at our new Dollar Tree. I came in here to find some stuff that I could upcycle, and the thing is, they're getting really good at what they do. Aren't those pretty? Just the way they are. And then they have these that have metal on them. These are pretty. Look at that with the rabbit on there. Adorable. Those are cute. And then we've got all kinds of new gnomes. Look at how cute. Oh, which one is it? Look at that little lamb. He's adorable. And the little bear with the, or rabbit. I mean, just some really cute stuff. See, lots of eggs. I bought these yesterday. They have both kinds, but look at this. Isn't that pretty just the way it is? And then I think they had these last year, but look at these. These are so cute. And they're really a thick, not real wood, but pretty darn thick. Look at the carrot one. Stage an intervention, I know. It's like, how much more good stuff can they get? Look at the little jars. I did buy those the other day. If you like ceramics, those would be good. Easter signs. I mean, the problem is they all look really good. And look at all the trees they've got. I would have thought that those would be for Christmas, but oh, look at the pink one. Oh. Those are pretty. And then all the beads and the different colors and the eggs. More signs. I think they had these last year, the rabbit on the truck. Look at that. Cute tray. They have rugs. Up there you'll see some, I don't know if I can reach those. They have all kinds of little Easter egg stakes that, I don't know who'd put that in their yard because it'd fall apart. But I got the rabbit and the chick the other day. Oh, look at these little bags. Doesn't that look cute with a rabbit on it? Cute, cute. So this is most of it. All right, so I showed you all that. Here's some of those bubblegum machines. And then, look at still boxes of it. Boxes, oh, like nothing good there. And then look at this whole thing of Easter. This has been here though since they opened. None of it's been moving. You can see all the rabbits we still have. Look at all those rabbits. All the chicks. The eggs have went down some. All the wire forms, tons of it. Oh, did she paint on some of the bags? That's what I thought when I saw them, was to paint them with like a chick or a rabbit on them. We got all those rabbits down there. I still have those from a couple years ago. And we've got all this Easter. And the end cap, just tons of Easter. I think I'm the only one happy that we got a Dollar Tree in town. Everybody else wished they'd had a grocery store instead. So lots of candy. Let's go over to the Family Dollar side and see what Easter they have. There's our craft section supply. Look at that. Oh, you got wood rounds. Okay, so here's the Family Dollar side. And so the Family Dollar side just means that they cost more, of course. Look at that. That's cute for, it's $5. And we don't have the colored ones, but we've got green rabbits. I bought one of these. I bought that one. And it looks like that's all they have so far on the Easter aisle. And our garden aisle, it's been really picked over. We had some good garden stuff. Look at the bee up there. Isn't that cute? All right, that's it for our Easter stuff. I'll talk to you guys later.